Are you wondering how to use the metro in Rome? Stay tuned, I will show you all about it. There are three main subway lines in Rome: the orange line, line A, the blue line, line B, and the green line, line C, that is not very important for tourists and is mostly under construction. You can change between the orange line and the blue line at Termini station, and between the orange line and the green line at San Giovanni. The orange line goes from the station of Battistini and Agnanina. There are two trains that go along the blue line, one that starts in Laurentina and ends in Rebibbia, and another one that starts in Laurentina and ends in Ionio. So, for example, if you are at Termini station and you want to go to the Spagna station for the Spanish Steps, you need to go in the direction of Battistini. Likewise, if you are at the Colosseum and you want to go to the Circus Maximus, you need to go to the direction of Laurentina. The names of the train's last stop are always written above the stairs that take you on the correct direction. When you're waiting for the train, there will be a display that confirms the direction of the train by mentioning the last stop on the line. Well, all the subway in Rome are marked by the M, like this, stands for metro. First thing you have to do is buy your ticket. You can buy your ticket at the vending machine or at some newsstands or tobacco stores. At the gate is an option available for you. You can actually use the tap of on your credit card or on your phone. The only problem is every time you tap your phone, it's going to charge you. So it's much better to have a pass if you're planning to use the metro more than once. You can buy a single ride ticket or a 24-hour pass, 48 hours pass, 72 hours pass, or a weekly pass. Tickets are valid for the subway, buses, and some specialized trains. On the orange line, the most important station as a tourist are Termini, where you can actually exchange between lines, Barberini, which is for the Trevi Fountain, Spagna for the Spanish Steps, Flaminio Piazza del Popolo for the Piazza del Popolo, and Ottaviano San Pietro for the Vatican Museum. Also on the orange line, San Giovanni for the Basilica of San Giovanni Laterano. So as a tourist, the most important station that you have to know are on the blue line, Termini, which is where you exchange between lines, Colosseum, which is the Colosseum, and Circus Maximum, which is the Circus Maximum. Here we are, folks. We reached the Termini subway station, and now we're going to change line between the B line and the A line, or blue line and orange line. In order to go to the orange line, you follow the sign, and with the orange A, we are at the Colosseum train station at the subway, so a little word of caution, like any other place that is very crowded, not today, you have to be a little cautious about your belongings, so watch out for pickpockets. So the difference with many other subway in the world, here in Rome, you do not need your ticket to get out to the subway station. We hope you liked our video on how to use the subway in Rome. If you have any question, leave a comment below. See you next time!